Hello, everyone. Today, I will show you how to build a real-life business workflow in Monday.com. Many teams set up boards randomly, but a proper workflow helps manage tasks, deadlines, and communication efficiently. First, map your business process. Identify all stages like leads, opportunities, projects, delivery, and reporting. Knowing stages makes workflow setup easier. Step one, create boards for each stage. Separate boards for sales, operations, and projects. Keep work organized. Modular boards are easier to scale. Step two, use essential columns. Add status, people, date, priority, and text columns. This ensures all critical information is tracked. Step three, assign ownership. Every task must have a responsible person using the people column. Accountability improves workflow efficiency. Step four, add automations. Automate reminders, status updates, and notifications between boards. This reduces manual work and prevents delays. Step five, use dashboards. Combine boards into dashboards showing progress, workload, and deadlines. Managers get a real-time overview. Step six, test and refine. Run the workflow with a small team first. Adjust columns, automations, and stages based on feedback. So yeah, building a real-life business workflow in Monday.com is about mapping processes, modular boards, essential columns, clear ownership, automations, dashboards, and continuous improvement. Follow these steps and your business workflow will run smoothly. Thanks for watching. Do like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions.